flight demonstrations of her birds entitled The Winged Wonders. Now everyone, before that, let me give you some friendly reminders. First, to those of you who have their wooden legs, please keep them during the presentation because all of our animals here are trained based on food reward system and your food and drinks will be a instruction to them. Second, as much as possible, stay on your seats. Do not stand, raise your hand, or even walk around. Can we do that? And now, are you all ready for the show? I can hear you. Are you ready? Now eyes up there and meet our majestic adult Rufus Hornbill named Sean. Sean is once again our adult Rufus Hornbill. And Rufus Hornbill is one of the birds endemic here in the Philippines, locally known as Galaw. They are omnivorous type of bird, which means they eat fruits, small mammals, and insects. One good characteristic of an adult Rufus Hornbill is their red casque, which is located on top of their head. This is made out of keratin, just like our hair and fingernails. And everybody, please, eyes on Sean. There he goes. With that, let's give a big hand for Sean. Thank you so much, Sean. Now guys, I know that you are very curious. What does it look like when it is still young, right? Left, right? Now to give you an idea, everybody, please, eyes on the corner and meet Jackie. There he goes. As you can see, Jackie doesn't develop yet its red cast on top of its head, an indication that it is still young. Now, time to go now, Jackie. Now, this time I need a volunteer. Anyone? Please raise your hand. Yes, you. Please go to Kuya Jordan and he will assist you. Now, please go to Kuya Jordan. To Kuya Jordan, please. Now, all you have to do is to put your palms like this. Are you ready? I think you're ready. Then Jackie, are you ready? Jackie, go! There you go. With that, a big round of applause for my volunteer. Thank you so much. And of course, for our young Rufus Hornbill, Jackie. Bye, Jackie. Now this time, I need two young volunteers. What about coming from this side? A young volunteer, yes, you. Okay, so please proceed to Kuya Allen. How about on the other side? I need a volunteer. Anyone? A young volunteer. Yes, you. So you will be assisted by Kuya Jordan and they will tell you what to do. So Kuya Allen, is your volunteer ready? How about you, Kuya Jordan? Is she ready? Then since everyone's ready, we would like you to meet our cute songunyors, Simon and Theo. Once again, Simon and Theo are our songunyors and they are also known as Paraki. Now it's time to go to Kuya Allen. So once again, we would like to remind everyone not to raise your hand. How about on the other side, guys? There you go. So you see that one wearing the same shirt as mine? You can go to him. Now, there you go. Thank you so much, Ate. You may now go back to your seat. And of course, to you, sir. Rather, ma'am. Okay. I am so sorry. Thank you so much. So everyone, these birds are actually native to northeastern of South America. They are known for their very loud squawking and of course for their brightly coloration. But did you know that these birds are also endangered? They are threatened with loss of habitat and trapping for the pet trade. So everybody, once again, our Centennials, Simon and Theo. Now, since we are showing you birds, did you know that for the birds, they love to hollow on tree trunks like this? Especially for the hornbill. So this is what they do in the wild. The female will lay their egg inside, incubate the egg till they hatch, while the female gathers and brings food to the nest for the young and of course for the female. Now this time I need you to use your imagination. Imagine that these cubs are the food that they gather in the wild. So everyone, I'll show you two parrots who will show us how they do it in the wild. First, on my right, I'll be having Gary. So everybody, this is Gary, our African gray parrot. This bird is actually noted as one of the most intelligent type of bird. While on my left side, with blue top parts and yellow underparts, I have Lightning. This bird can be seen in Central and South America. Now everybody, at this time, I'll be needing your cooperation. To those who are sitting to the center sitting area, all through my right, you will all cheer for Gary. And to those who are sitting to the center sitting area, going to my left, to Lightning. So let me hear how you can do it. Everybody on my right side, everyone say Gary, 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 Gary. How about on my left side, everybody? Lightning, 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 lightning. So everybody remember, the louder you cheer, the faster you will move. Now trainers, are you ready? How about you? Are you guys ready? Let me hear the cheer.
Gary, Gary, Gary.
Then let's do it. Gary, lightning, go! Lightning, Rohan. Now, sir, what can you say about that? Rematch. He wants a rematch. How about you? Rematch. Then let's do it. Lightning, Gary, are you guys ready? How about you guys? Do you think Lightning or Gary can beat Lightning? No, then let's see. Gary, Lightning, go! We did it! Lightning won! With that, thank you so much to you, Gary, and of course, to Lightning! So everybody, since we are showing you parrots, did you know that when you see a bird in